Hello boys and girls. Welcome to Storytime with Auntie Stacee. I'm Auntie Stacee. I'm so glad you came to read with me. The story I'm going to read for you today is called And Also. Tony pretends that his bed is a ship on the sea. His little sister Kerry says, "And also, there are sharks." "No," says Tony. Tony pretends that their bus is a spaceship. Kerry says, "And also, watch out for shooting stars." "No," says Tony. Tony pretends the playground is a jungle. Kerry says, "And also, we are lions." "No," says Tony. "Wait, that is a great idea," Tony then says. "I know," says Kerry. Tony and Kerry pretend to be lions. Tony pretends that the other kids are a river of crocodiles. Kerry says, "And also, we can jump on this log to float away." Tony and Kerry slide down a rainbow. And rock out in a magical universe. "I had the best time playing pretend with you," says Tony. "And also, we should play again tomorrow," smiles Kerry. This is the end of the story.